Welcome to Self-Service, Navarro College's new version of WebAdvisor for students. When you type in selfservice.navarrocollege.edu, it will bring up a login page. Your username is typically your first name dot last name, all lowercase, and you'll enter in your MyNC password. When you hit sign in, this will bring you to the Self-Service homepage. From here, you'll navigate to Student Finance, which is where you can look at your statement and see any refunds you might have. There is Tax Information, where you can retrieve your 1098-T document. Grades, you can see your grades for all the terms that you have been at Navarro College. Enrollment Verifications, where you can request a form from the registrar's office to verify your enrollment. Financial Aid, where you can view your award letter, submit any documents needed to our financial aid office, and accept or reject your loans. And then Student Planning. This is where you will plan and register for your courses. Now, if you go over to the left side of the screen, you will see different icons. When you click here, you can either use any of these to move around in self-service or the buttons on the home page. Here we have Financial Information, which has your student finance, financial aid, and tax information. Then we have Academics, which we have Student Planning, which is where you can view your unofficial transcript, Grades, Enrollment Verifications, Course Catalogs, Academic Attendance, Drop a Course, and FERPA Release Form. Then you have your user options, where you can view your user profile and update your emergency information. If you click on User Profile, you'll notice that there is pertinent information here about your address, email address, which should be a Navarro College email address if you are a current student, and phone numbers. If this information is incorrect, you will need to contact the registrar's office. Otherwise, if the information is correct, click on Confirm, and that will update your information and confirm it. Up here in the upper right-hand corner, you will see your username, sign out button. You want to make sure that you log out every time you use self-service, a help button, and any messages that pertain to any activity done while in self-service, or any kind of academic, financial, or advising holds will appear here.